20 degrees Celsius. Inland we could see 23 or 24. For Northern Ireland, sunny spells, chance of a few showers here in the afternoon, particularly across Antrim and down. Isolated showers for northern and eastern Scotland as well, but again that emphasis shifts back to being a largely dry story across the UK through Tuesday afternoon. Plenty of sunny spells to be found across northern England, the Midlands, East Anglia and the southeast as well. Just a chance again through the afternoon of a few showers popping off in the southeast of England, but that could be the only significant rain there for the rest of this week. We will see that wetter weather coming into Scotland and Northern Ireland on Thursday, perhaps for Wales and the southwest of England by Friday, but for many of us the story stays dry, and for all of us there's still a lot of warm weather on the way. George.
Susan, thank you. It's nearly 6:30.
Of northern England and other counties in England. So in the last 24 hours most of us have had at least some rain. Now much of that's gone out of the way and the day's been a fine one, but quite clearly coming into Ireland yet more cloud, heralding what you probably already know is going to be a significant spell of rain for about 3/4 of the UK. It's all piling up out here as masses of cloud and various low centres. Now at the moment they don't look too frightening. One centre here, one here, but the two are going to combine, cover most of the Atlantic and just wind around themselves, throwing moisture, warmth and rain our way. However, that rain is to come for most of us tomorrow. Sunny spells will be the order of the day for most places, and still quite warm ones at that. After all, we start the day at 18 degrees in London and about 12 in Newcastle. The highest humidity is still the southern third of Britain, if you like, so this is a fairly sticky morning with light breezes and 17 or 18 degrees at 8 o'clock on Wednesday, but it's bone dry. We don't expect any showers at this time of the day, in fact throughout the day to be honest. If you're north of the Midlands it's less humid, it's less sticky, it's a pleasant enough start to a summer's day. Near the end of June now, properly summer after all. One or two light showers are potentially there in the Grampians, but it's stroking the west coast and running up through Northern Ireland where the clouds thickening enough to bring rain proper sometime fairly soon, you'll notice. In Wales and the southwest there's enough potential here for the cloud to build one or two light rain showers both morning and afternoon, but not much more than that. It's just that the humidity is already there. So for England, Wales and Scotland, an increasingly warm day, humid particularly in the south, even the southeast, but increasingly breezy and wet in Northern Ireland, therefore temperatures are restricted, but 24 to 27 will be typical for most places. And the forecast for Wimbledon doesn't show any rain at all till Friday, though Friday evening might be a little dodgy, showers of potential here. Otherwise it remains fine along with the rest of that part of England, but clearly this is not the same. This is nothing like summer. This is the edge of this big winding low. Loads of rain running through Northern Ireland, Scotland, England and Wales, restricting the temperatures a bit, and the real heat is further east, where that heat will certainly build. 30 degrees possible on Friday, but it's just so restricted. You'll notice the rest proper summer, and the rain has died out before it even reaches Wimbledon. They say though, in the evening on Friday Wimbledon might just catch a shower or two.